Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 1 application of matrices and determinants. Exercise 1.6 solve by rank method. Investigate the value of lambda and mu in this case. We have 2x plus 3y plus 5z equal to 9, 7x plus 3y minus 5z equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y plus lambda z equal to mu. You want to investigate the value of lambda and mu. Okay, by using rank method, the very first step, the matrix equation is write the coefficient of x, y, z in order 2, 3, 5. From here 7, 3 minus 5, from the last equation 2, 3, lambda, the variable x, y, z, which is equal to constant value appear in the linear equation, right hand side 9, here 8, here mu. This is in the form of Ax equal to B. Matrix equation in the form of Ax equal to B, where A is the coefficient of x, y, z in order, x are the variables, B constant value appear in the right hand side of the linear equation. Then augmented matrix. Augmented matrices, write the matrix A and B together. I have 2, 3, 5, 9, 7, 3 minus 5, 8, 2, 3, lambda and mu. Got it? Now, actually very first step, the question A11 as 1, if you wanted to bring, it will be very comfortable to proceed the problem. But in this case, there is no possibility to bring A11 as 1. So directly I will bring 0 here and here. Directly I will bring 0 here and here by using R1. Okay, see here. Leave the first row as it is, 2, 3, 5, 9. I want to bring 0 here and here by using R1. I have 7 here, I have 2 here. I will multiply 2 in R2, 7 in R1, I will subtract. Same sign, plus 2 plus 7, so I will subtract. I have 2 here, 7 here, I will multiply 7 in R1, I will multiply 2 in R2. Then when you subtract, I will get 0. Here same number, 2 and 2. So directly I can write R3 as R3 minus R2. Okay, see 2 times R2, 2 times R2, 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10 with minus, 2 8s are 16, minus 7 times R1, minus 7 2s are 14, minus 7 3s are 21, minus 7 5s are 35, minus 7 9s are 63, 0, it will be minus 15, it will be minus 45, it will be 63 minus 47. Got it? Okay. Now R3 minus R2. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Lambda minus 5. Mu minus 9. R3 minus R2. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Lambda minus 5. Mu minus 9. It is in echelon form. Okay. Directly I am getting it is in echelon form. You want to discuss the value of lambda and mu. Case 1. For unique solution, we will discuss. See here, for unique solution, this position A33 is not equal to 0 in this case. In this case, 3 variable 3 equation, the position A33 is not equal to 0. Then the rank of A comma B is 1, 2, 3 and the rank of A is 1, 2, 3. Okay, for the first 3 columns. For unique solution, if lambda not equal to 5, you can take any value for lambda except 5 and mu, you can take any value, mu belongs to R. Just make a note, many students doing mistake here, particularly they will consider mu not equal to 9. See, I am going to say unique solution. For unique solution means the rank of a comma b and the rank of a are equal to number of variable. In this case, the number of variable is 3, x, y, z. So I need the rank also 3 for a comma b and a. So if this is not equal to 0, the position a33 is not equal to 0, the rank of a comma b in this case non-zero because of this whatever it is non-zero. And for the first 3 column, if you consider if this is not equal to 0, non-zero, non-zero and non-zero. So rank will be 3. So if lambda not equal to 5, mu takes any value. Mu takes any value, even 9 or any other value. Anyway, belongs to R. So in this case, if lambda not equal to 5, I am not taking a particular value. So I can declare the rank directly. Rank of a comma b will be 1, 2, 3 and the rank of a will be 1, 2, 3. So in this case, rank of a comma b equal to rank of a equal to 3 equal to number of unknown. So system is consistent, solution will be unique. Got it? Case 2. Particularly 3 equation, 3 variable, if the position a33 not equal to 0 with this condition, the rank of a comma b and the rank of a are equal and equal to number of variable or unknown. System consistent, unique solution. Now, no solution we will discuss. No solution means the rank will be different. If I am taking this as 0, like lambda equal to 5 and mu not equal to 9, I will take. Lambda equal to 5 means this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. Mu not equal to 9, you can take any value except 9 which is non-zero. So what is the rank of a comma b? Non-zero row, non-zero row. If you consider this one 0, 0, 0, non-zero. So the rank of a comma b is 3. What is the rank of a? 1, 2 and this is 0, 0, 0. So only rank 2. So this is equal to rank of a. So in this case, rank of a equal to 2, rank of a comma b is 3. So these two are not equal. Rank of a only for first 3 columns. If lambda equal to 5, 0, 0, 0. So the rank will be 2. Rank of a comma b 0, 0, 0, but this is non-zero because mu not equal to 9. So rank of a comma b is 3. So in this case, rank of a comma b and rank of a are not equal. So system inconsistent, solution no. So the word inconsistent will come only in case of no solution. Here we discuss 2 cases, unique solution and known solution. For 3 equation, 3 variable, the position a33 is not equal to 0 with non-zero first row and second row. Then the rank of a comma b and rank of a are equal to number of unknown. The system is consistent, unique solution. And it is an echelon form. And of course these two are non-zero row. When this is 0, this is not equal to 0, rank will be different. When this position is 0, this is not equal to 0. Rank of a comma b will be 1, 2, 3. For the first 3 columns 0, 0, 0. So rank of a will be 2. These two are not equal, inconsistent, no solution. The third case will be case 3. Case 3, unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solutions. So in this case, rank of a comma b and rank of a are equal, but less than the number of unknown. Already this is 0, this is 0. When these two become 0, the rank of a comma b is 2 and even a is also 2. So if lambda equal to 5 and I will take mu equal to 9. If lambda equal to 5, mu equal to 9. In this case, I am taking the value of lambda and mu is a particular value. Here lambda not equal to 5. Mu belongs to R. So which is not a particular value, I cannot show the matrix. Here lambda equal to 5, but mu not equal to 9. I can take any value. I cannot show the matrix. But in this case, I am taking for lambda and mu are a particular value. So the matrix A and B will be, I will write here, 2, 3, 5, 9. First row. Second row, 0, minus 15, minus 45, minus 47. Third row 0 0, lambda 5 means 5 minus 5 0, mu 9 means 9 minus 9 0. So I am getting 0 0 0. Got it? So in this case the rank of A comma B will be 1 2 non-zero rows, and the rank of A will be 1 2 for the first 3 columns, equal to 2 less than 3. What is 3? Number of variable. So in this case system consistent, solution will be infinite. In this case, if you take lambda equal to 5 and mu equal to 9, completely the third row vanished. So the rank of A comma B and rank of A are equal, which is equal to 2, but less than 3, that is number of variable. Therefore the system is consistent, solution will be infinitely many. Got it? Here we discuss the value of lambda and mu with all possible 3 cases. It's quite common when you solve the linear equation, we have unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solution. So what is the very first step? In this case I use by using rank method, matrix equation, augmented matrix, elementary operation, echelon form. So after getting echelon form, I am going to discuss the value of lambda and mu. So very first I am going to discuss unique solution. You wanted to remember this A3T, third row third column is not equal to 0. The rank of A comma B and rank of A will be equal to number of variable in this case. So I am taking lambda not equal to 5. Mu you can take any value. I said mu belongs to R. Just make a note this particular step. So consistent unique solution. Here no solution. When this is 0, this is not equal to 0, the rank will be different. This will be 0, lambda equal to 5. This will be not equal to 0, mu not equal to 9. So in this case rank of A comma B is non-zero, non-zero, 0, 0, 0. This is non-zero. So that will be rank of A comma B shows 3. When this is 0, 0, 0, the rank of A will be 2. So these two are not equally inconsistent, no solution. Third case, I wanted to prove infinitely many solution, that is lambda equal to 5, mu equal to 9 I am taking, because the last row completely vanished when you take lambda as 5 and mu equal to 9. What it shows, the last row completely 0, 0, 0 and remaining 2 rows are non-zero. So I can say the rank of A comma B is 1 and 2, that is 2, and rank of A is 1, 2, that is 2. So I can say the rank of A comma B and the rank of A are equal, which is equal to 2, but it is less than the number of variable 3. Therefore the system is consistent, but it gives infinitely many solution. Got it?